Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is DawnDoesLife, and today I have a diamond painting from a new to me company called Oraloa. It's Oraloa Island of Arts, and I'm really excited to check out the quality of their diamond paintings. I don't know how these guys stayed off my radar, but they did, and I found them, and I'm happy I did because they have a warehouse here in Canada. I'm thinking it's a French company because a lot of their languages are like English French, and I'm looking like even on the box here. Now, I know in Canada a lot of the boxes have to have English French. Hang on here. Licensed product for Oraloa authorization distributor. Imagined in Canada. Oh, okay. Designed in France and made in China. So that's really cool. Look at this design. So this one is called Amour de Lumière, and it's just like these two kind of cartoon characters with a heart above and maybe like lights on the end of their tail. I don't know. Let's take a look at it though. I'm really excited. I'm just gonna open up this box. And these are licensed diamond paintings. So this one is by Richard Cameron Morneau, and he actually is from Quebec, Canada. So that is really cool to me. And I'm pretty sure when I was looking at their site, I saw several artists that were Canadian. So again, very, very cool. Now this one is a snack-sized painting. It's a round, and on their site you can choose either square or round, just so you know. So from what I could tell, the prices stay the same with both. But there is just the one size, so you can decide what kind of diamonds you want, but it's one size. I chose round on this one, and again chose a small one because again I wanted to kind of check out the quality of their paintings, and I didn't want to get hooped into doing a great big painting just in case. Oh, this is in here good, guys. Oh my word. Okay, there we go. And it is poured glue, so I am gonna just kind of roll this back a little bit. And I did show you the picture. I have no idea what comes in their kits. I have no idea. But I'm taking a look at this, and actually the drill field looks really clear, you guys. So let's just give this, oh, look at all this stuff. Oh my goodness, there's like tons of stuff in here. Okay, hang on. So I'm just going to give this a little bit of a twist and lay that off to the side for just a minute so that we can look at all the other stuff that comes in the kit. Okay, so you do get a bigger sticker that has the Oraloa. This is a really tough one for me to say. Oraloa. That's how I'm saying it. I'm not sure if that's right. Island of Arts, and then in Richard Cameron Morneau. And this is Le Curiosité, but on the box it says Amour de Lumière. So it's like light of love, I think is what that means. And it does say it's a 30 by 0.73 by 50.80 centimeters, or 12.1 by 20 inches. So not too big, which that's good. And also you get your perforated diamonds. So this one, I thought it said there was 35 colors with 3 ABs, but I'm not seeing anything that would, oh, here they are, sorry, they're at the end here. So 208 AB, 742 AB, and 5200 AB. I was like, what? Was there no ABs? So you also get a little bit of a step-by-step. And then here are the drills. This is the kit, and this is what I kind of wanted to take a quick peek at, because you never know what kind of a kit you're going to get. Blue, I'm seeing blue wax, guys. That's awesome. Oh, this is in here tight too. Everything is very tight on this kit. Oh, am I gonna have to wreck this bag? There we go. Jeez. Okay, so you get a really pretty color of tweezers, and these are the super, super sharp ones. But I like that color, like that bluish purple. And then you get a clear little pen with a purple squishy. And then I think this looks like a 2 or a 3 placer. It doesn't say on it, and these are the thicker placers, so I don't use them very often. And I don't know how many this one would be, but it looks like 7, 8. Like, it looks pretty large too. And then the blue wax, and let's just see, do they give you 1? Oh, they give you 3 plates of the blue wax. Nice. And so always just remember with these, they have a plastic coating on them, and you just have to lift one side of it to get at your wax. And it comes in this little container so you can keep the wax protected and stop it from drying out. So that's the kit, just a kind of a basic kit, little white boat. So let's just take a quick look at these drills. They do come pre-bagged, which is great for any of you who don't want to kit up and like working out of your baggies. So these drills come bagged by number, not by DMC. So this is one of the ABs. So this is 5200 AB. I don't know if I've ever had a 5200 AB, but there you are. Very sparkly, very pretty. The next one is the 742 AB, and that's a really pretty orange. I don't know if I've ever had orange before either. And then the next one is the purple AB. So AB just means that it has the extra coating on it to make it sparkle extra nice. There you go. And that one was 208 AB. And then it looks like there are several bags of this butter yellow. I just love this color. It's like a pastel yellow. It's so pretty. And then, so I'm just actually going to pull the bags out. I'm not going to go through each one with you. But there you go. Browns, peaches, oranges, yellows, some purples, more peaches, lavenders, a little bit of gray. So, and like yellows and oranges. So I'm just going to stick that back off to the side so that we can now take a look at the painting, and then we'll see where these ABs are. And it looks like one of these, two of these sparklies ABs drills fell out. Okay, so here is the painting. So I kind of like that it's actually kind of skinny and a little bit longer. It's a little bit of an odd size. I don't know, my brain probably wasn't really thinking of it that way, but here's the painting. It's so cute, you guys. I just love these two little funny characters. I thought it would be different with their tails forming a heart, and it looks like at the end of their tails are like little lights. That's really, really cute. So I'm going to bring you down the drill field. Let's just take a look at it right now. It is super, super clear. I'm very impressed. So you get your Oraloa at the top with the branding, and then you also get your, I'll just zoom back out here. You get your legend at the top left and then the bottom right. And then at the bottom, it just has the name of the artist and the size of the canvas. And then there's a few social media links here. And there is actually, I just noticed that there is a thumbnail at the top with the artist name again. And again, here they're calling it Le Cuirasse. Sorry, it's very, very tiny writing. And that is one thing that I will say is the legend is not super bright, and it's very, very tiny. And that's on both sides. So not like super vibrant, standing out. But the drill field is super, super clear. While I am finding that some of these are hard to see a little bit, like this number 9 is a G, and it's so dark. It's like a black on a dark, dark purple. But on the canvas, it's actually very easy to see. So this is it, like right in through here, and I'm seeing it no problem. Let's see if I can zoom in and show you guys. So there's some G's along the top there, and again, super easy to read. Okay, so let's take a look at where some of these ABs are. So the white one is the 0 or O, and I already saw it in the eyes. So it's all in through the eyes, and then also in through the light of their tail, or if that's a light, but I'm thinking because of the name Love of Light or Light of Love, I'm thinking that that's what their tails are. That's pretty much the only place I'm seeing it is just the eyes and there. No, yeah, that's pretty much it. And then the one that looked kind of orange on here, it looks yellow, but it's the hashtag. And I'm seeing a decent amount of that. So in through our yellow character, I'm seeing it kind of sporadic in there, but then also like around sort of some of the highlight of the tummy and the leg. I'm seeing it. A little bit in the tail. Not a lot though. And then the third one is the A symbol, and it is the purple one, and it's along the same lines. It's like the highlights of the leg there, in through here, a little bit in through the head, and a little bit in through the tail. So not a huge amount of ABs. I think they're gonna really stand out nicely though, the way they've done it. And yeah, so with regards to the canvas itself, it's different feeling. It almost looks threaded, but soft. The front of it has a plasticky feeling, but the back of it does have a soft feeling, but not quite. I wouldn't say it's like a thick felt. It's very, very thin, and you can see the grain of the lines through it, but it is soft. And the stick factor, let's just take a look here. Really good stick factor. One thing I do want to check really quickly is to see how true to size it is. So inch-wise, it says it is 12.1 inches by 20 inches. The canvas itself is actually at 1.5 or 1 notch shy of 12. So pretty close. And let's just check the length on this one. One thing I always with these, you have to kind of, because they're rolled, you do get some of your inches back. This one is 19.75 inches long. So just under 20 and just under 12. So fairly close, not quite true to size, but fairly close. This one looks like it's going to be a lot of fun to do. So there's a lot of color blocking in through this back. So because of that, I think it probably will go pretty fast. At least that's always what I say in my head. And then, you know, sometimes it does and sometimes it doesn't. There is some mix in of different colors, but not a lot. And you're going to get more of the confetti as you get towards the two little characters. So a little bit of a mix, some blocking and then also some confetti. I think this is a really cute picture, you guys. What do you guys think? Like I said, I just wanted to go with something small. This is actually bigger than I was thinking it was. But I wanted to go with something fairly small just to try these guys out. From what I could tell, all of their stuff is licensed, and they have tons of different types of paintings. I'm actually pretty impressed. And when I take a look at these drills, the drills look like they're in pretty good shape too. I'm not seeing a lot of junk. Now that's a pretty thickly packed bag. Let's take a look at one that's smaller. But yeah, so I'm not seeing a lot of junk in them, and they do look like they're pretty nice, not lots of divots. So I'm really looking forward to giving this one a try. I am so happy that I found another company, and one that isn't difficult for Canadians to order from. I did have to pay the shipping. I will tell you, this painting was only $28. I was really impressed, and that is in Canadian, you guys, so I don't know what it would be in other currencies, but it was $28, and the shipping was $12, and my first order I got 15% off. So it really was not an expensive painting at all. And again, just something a little bit quirky and different, and I thought it would be cute to do and try. So good job, Oraloa. I'm actually pretty impressed at first sight. Couple little things that I would tweak would be the legends being darker and a little bit more clear. So you guys, have you ever tried Oraloa? Let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know if you have and what your process was like, if you enjoyed them. If you liked this video, I'd really appreciate it. It helps the channel if you give it a thumbs up, and then also love it if you subscribed if you haven't already. That's where I'm gonna leave it, you guys. I hope you guys are having a fantastic day, loving your summer, and I will catch you guys all in the next video. Until then, bye.